What did you order?
Basic one and 3 pieces of
Oh,
pizza.
yeah, me too.
You too?
I'm added to the noodle.
More noodles?
Yeah, more noodle.
You're very hungry?
Yeah.
We were talking yesterday about this. Like, this is the Sephora kit. Sephora is the brand, you know, cosmetic. People go to Sephora younger, much younger, to buy cosmetics and stuff like this. So in Europe, it's quite a concern.
Even children also, they use the cosmetic.
Because that's what Lucy was telling me, that TikTok and social media are promoting a lot of cosmetics. So kids, they access to TikTok very young. And also it seems like it's a pressure to have like nice skin, but at a very young age.
From when you use the cosmetic?
From high school.
From high school?
No. From university.
From university?
Because it was prohibited to makeup.
Yeah, it's prohibited, but many students just hide.
I was in countryside, so there is no need to makeup.
That's good. Yeah.
There is no place to go and play.
Yeah.
It's just in the woods.
That's good.
I was playing.
That's good. Itadakimasu.
Oh, I failed.
Oh, you should like that. Before you did. Yeah.
Whoa. I think this is more like tonkotsu base.
Yeah. I think
I
so.
thought it's soy sauce. Sweet flavor is the most favorite one.
Actually, for me, I like the tonkotsu. Yeah, tonkotsu. Yeah. It's cause it's just basic. Yes.
Usually I meet my old colleagues at the restaurant. So we go there and we usually do the aperitif, entrée, plat, dessert, café. So this usually you go for like 70, 80 euro per person.
Oh my god.
Per person.
Per person.
Wow. Just one
But
meal.
it's not like fancy restaurant, just regular.
Yeah. Oh.
Nowadays, I have my favorite restaurant around my office, and it's Taiwanese restaurant.
Oh.
Base is Chinese food, but the taste is more mild,
Oh.
so I really like it.
We really had a lot of good food when we were in China in 2020, 2019.
So have you ever been to China before?
Never. Yeah.
Before I went to China, I was kind of afraid of
really?
China, and of course I ate Chinese food in Japan, but the food there is different.
Oh, really?
Hot, good.
Yeah.
Everything was good,
Oh.
so better than my
Oh, really?
expectation. So now I want to visit China again.
When I'm 18 years old, I visited Macau. Yeah, one time Macau.
Chinese territory.
Yeah, Macau.
Oh, where?
Macau.
It's an island.
Macau is
Macau.
Macau. It's next to the Hong Kong.
Yeah.
But I couldn't enter the casino because of the age.
Oh.
Yeah.
Last time we went to Shanghai, Shanghai area,
Shanghai, yeah.
and it was very good. But I heard Beijing is more like history,
Traditional and
different than history.
You guys also needed to visa if you enter to
I forgot.
China.
we had the vacation visa.
Yeah, Korean also too.
Okay. Everyone needs a visa, right?
I don't know. Maybe except Russia.
Just right after our visit to China, COVID started.
Yeah.
So I remember when I arrived at Haneda Airport from China, there was a paper on the board, and those who came from Bukang area in China, you have to go this way. But I was from Shanghai. I didn't have to go that way. But at that time, there was a Japanese government realized there was some virus around there, but there is no name on the virus at the time.
It's really the first something started from point maybe.
Yeah, but at the time I didn't realize that big virus
Of course,
spread.
nobody.
So I just, okay, some people have to go there. but not mine.
Yeah.
So I just ignore.
When you guys been after 3 months, is started COVID, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Suddenly spread.
Suddenly spread. Yeah.
Are you sure that it started in Wuhan?
Mm.
It started in Wuhan.
Wuhan, yes.
And we went to Hongshan in Banting, which is very close by.
It's very
Wuhan,
close?
actually. And when we came back in France, Lucy, Leah was sick for 2 weeks after. So we were like, Lucy, Leah was like, I got COVID, but we didn't know yet at that point, you know.
Because it really is dangerous. If you guys like 1 month or 2 months later, you guys can come back to your territory.
Yeah.
Kind of funny, no?
Kind of.
Yeah, but I think in the period we visited, already spread. I think.
That's lucky. Yeah, that's lucky. Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, I felt lucky that we traveled that far for such experience before 2 years of no travel. Like,
So how was it taste? Good.
yeah.
Compared to Europe, the restaurant, ramen restaurant.
I think we have.
Also, it's quite similar.
It's better.
It's
but
better, yeah.
Honestly, I think we're doing
Yeah.
better and better.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
The best
Yeah.
difference, most different point is I think the price.
Yes.
I think
That's true. That's true.
quality is also good in Europe.
Yeah.
But it's like 18 euros.
It's crazy, yeah. Yeah, it's crazy.
So you could order 2 ramen.
Here, yeah.
I remember you gave me egg when we were in France.
In the car.
In the lucid
In the lucid car. Yeah. I remember.
Smoked.
Smoke egg.
How did you make it?
In the rice cooker. Yeah, as I'm watching the Instagram, someone making the smoke egg in the using the rice cooker. So I tried it, but it's failed.
Oh really?
It was
But
failed.
I-
As a little bit success. Yeah. The rice cooker Nea's gave to me. Yeah, when she left in France. So you see the every days?
Yeah.
You see it every day. When I first time visited Shibuya, it was I feel like really big and huge everything. So I'm really shocked. Yeah.
And now,
Now it's normal. Just, yeah. So how was your sleep? You sleep well or?
Sleep well.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. And Lucy? I hope so. Because yesterday in the night I too much is how to say English? Full
nose. Blocked.
Did you sleep? Hearing.
I also snored.
My, so Lucy has suffered.
I'm really sorry about that.
If you need something to
Oh yeah, me too. Yeah, me too.
I slept. I always sleep with earplugs. So I had
Did you
some.
come from?
I'm used to.
Oh,
When I was
The doors on the left side
to
will
get
open.
good sleep, people around me.
Please change it for the
So
children
you
on the
already
right
adjusted.
and the supporting committee
Adjusted,
line.
so it's not comfortable for you. In the night it's a little bit cold. I feel like under my face goes through to my wind, cold wind. So I changed to the side.
opposite side.
Opposite side. I changed.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe tonight you will put some heater.